Good morning, students. In previous YouTube link, I had explained you poem appreciation rhyming scheme, right? तो हमने rhyming scheme के कुछ examples भी try किए. So today we will be practicing some more. So you have to write this in your CW book. Question number 4. Find the rhyming pattern and scheme for the following. Okay. So you have to find out the rhyming pattern and the rhyming scheme for the given paragraphs. Students, if you notice, very first and second paragraph I had taken from our poem only. Okay. हमने अलग अलग examples देखे थे, right? So 2 paragraph I had taken from our poem. Let's start. Be grateful for the kindly friends. Students, if you remember, I had said you to mark to the end rhymes. Okay. लास्ट में जो भी वर्ड आता है हम उसको मार्क करेंगे. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू मार्क? वी आर गोइंग टू मार्क अल्फ़ाबेट्स ABCDEF, राइट? ऐसे हम अल्फ़ाबेट से मार्क करेंगे. सो बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर द काइंडली फ्रेंड्स. व्हाट इट इज गिवन हियर? फ्रेंड्स. फ्रेंड्स इज राइमिंग विथ सम अदर थिंग? नॉट नाउ. ओके, फ्रेंड्स इज अवर फर्स्ट वर्ड. इसके ऊपर कुछ है क्या? कुछ नहीं है. फ्रेंड्स इज अवर फर्स्ट वर्ड. सो मार्क फ्रेंड्स एज A. What we are going to mark it as? A. Then come to second line. That walk along your way. Now what is the last word? Way. Way friends के साथ rhyme कर रहा है? No, it's not rhyming. So we will mark way as B. क्या mark करेंगे? B. Be grateful for the skies of blue. What is the end word? Blue. Blue is rhyming? No. So we will mark it as C. That smile from day to day. Day. Day is rhyming? Yes, day is rhyming with way. Way का mark क्या है? B. तो day को क्या mark करेंगे? B. So way and day are the end rhymes. Way और day क्या है? End rhymes. हमारे sentence का last word है, end word है, and it is rhyming also. That's why we will call way and day as end rhymes. So हमारा pattern क्या आया? A, B, C, B. So our rhyming scheme is A, give a small hyphen, that is dash, then B, again a dash, then C, again a dash and B. So what is our rhyming scheme? A, B, C, B. Understood? Now come to the second paragraph of our poem. Be grateful for the growing trees. Last word क्या है? Trees. Trees is the first word. So we will mark it as A. The roses soon to bloom. What is the word? Bloom. We will mark it as B. The tenderness of kindly hearts. End word क्या है? Hearts. Rhyme कर रहा है क्या किसी से? No, it is not rhyming. So we will mark it as C. That shared your days of gloom. Gloom is rhyming, right? ये end वाला word क्या कर रहा है? Rhyme कर रहा है. किससे? Bloom. Bloom, gloom. Bloom, gloom. What is the marked alphabet of bloom? B. Very good students. क्या है? B है. तो gloom को हम क्या mark करेंगे? B. Bloom and gloom are end rhymes. So what is our pattern? A, B, C, B. Our rhyming scheme is A dash B dash C dash B. If you notice, both the paragraph rhyme scheme is same. Now come to the third paragraph. This I had taken from out of your book. Okay, ये poem में का है क्या part? No. ये मैंने एक extra example लिया है. What is the number 3? I have a little nose and I have a little chin and I have a little mouth just to put my dinner in. Students, if you notice, the word nose is the first word. So we will mark it as A. Chin. Is it rhyming with nose? No, rhyme नहीं कर रहा है तो इसको हम क्या mark करेंगे? B. Mouth. Last word क्या है? Mouth. Mouth is rhyming? Not again. So we will mark it as C. और इस line का end word क्या है? In. In is rhyming? Yes, it is rhyming. Chin, in. In, chin. So we will mark it as चिन का वर्ड अल्फ़ाबेट क्या है? बी. तो इनका क्या आएगा? बी. Nose A, chin B, mouth C, and in. Because it is rhyming with the chin, we will mark it as same. B, B. So what is the rhyming scheme over here? A, B, C, B. Okay. Now look. Fortunately, क्या हो गया? हमारे तीनों पोएम, हमारे तीनों पैराग्राफ का राइमिंग स्कीम इज सेम. Yes or no? Students, remember, it can be same or it can be different also, as we have seen in our workbook. Yes or no? हर पोएम का राइमिंग स्कीम अलग अलग होता है. यहाँ पे तीनों पोएम के स्टैंजा में क्या आया? सेम आया. जस्ट सी योर बुक. In this, turn your page to 29. If you see this examples which we have solved in workbook have different rhyming schemes. Yes or no? जो हमने अभी CW में सॉल्व किया उसकी राइमिंग स्कीम तो सेम आई, बट हमारे वर्कबुक में कैसी है? डिफरेंट है. सो whenever you follow or whenever you search for the rhyming scheme, remember to look at the last words of every sentence. If they are end rhymes, then you have to mark the same. If they are different, you have to mark as A, B, C, D. It can go up to Z if it is not rhyming. If it is rhyming, then the same alphabet will come again down, like Rai, Pe, Pi. So the alphabets marked is BB. Cat, sat, mice, nice. So rhyming scheme क्या है? A, B, A, B. Understood? Remember to always have a check on the end rhymes. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to write this question number 4 and these 3 examples in your CW book. Write it in a good handwriting, in a presentable way. Okay. Bye bye.